Nutrix, a Mexican business specializing in animal nutrition. With more than 40 years of experience in the market, our production process and certified quality control guarantees you 100% efficiency of selection and assures the total availability of ingredients in the formula, free of cross-contamination. The manual system of weighing, direct depositing into the container, optimal mixing verified by an NIR system, and post-packaging directly into the bag guarantees the formula in precise amounts of nutrients for your personalized mix. We are committed to bettering the profitability and productivity of our clients through services and products of the highest quality, fabricated with food and pharmaceutical grade English technology. The work system and technology at Nutrix guarantees a unique program for every client, developed in a personalized manner with a focus on low cost in order to maintain the nutritional requirements of your animals. The results are proven every day on your farms. Nutrix, the weight of a good balance for a better world.